I am going to clean these sneakers, and this is what they're going to look like when they're done. I've actually used proper cleaning methods on dirty shoes to show you guys how to do it properly yourselves. To clean your sneakers, you're going to need a pair of rubber gloves, a soft brush for your vacuum and a vacuum cleaner, a couple of microfiber towels, a nail brush and some paper towels. I'm actually using 3 different chemicals. I have a dedicated sneaker cleaner from a company called Revel, hand sanitizer with some peroxide in it because peroxide is a whitening agent, and I also have some bicarb of soda in the bowl at the back. First, thoroughly vacuum the sneakers to get the heavy dirt off. You can already see the difference between the 2 shoes. Continue on, and when that's done, grab your nail brush and aggressively go over the fabric of the sneaker. You're going to want to loosen any of the remaining dirt in the fabric. Once you've brushed the fabric of the sneakers thoroughly, grab your paper towel and just wipe over the fabric. That's going to remove any of the remaining dry soil. Grab your sneaker cleaner and microfiber towels. I'm using this brand called Revel, but any brand of sneaker cleaner will do. A dedicated sneaker cleaner is better for cleaning sneakers because, funnily enough, they're made for cleaning sneakers and they're not going to damage any of the mixed materials you're cleaning. So spray liberally all over the shoe so that it's not absolutely soaking wet, but wet enough that the cleaner can do its job. You can see that I'm probably, spraying maybe 20-30 times across the shoe. Then grab your nail brush and brush the cleaner into the fabric of the shoe. I'm not pressing too hard. What I want to do is, rather than drive the dirt into the shoe, just brush it across to agitate it and loosen it, putting a little bit more on the toe of the shoe just because the toes of the shoes are a little bit dirtier than the rest of it, and giving it again a light brush because you'll see next I'm going to grab the microfiber towel and try and get the cleaning agent to absorb out of the shoe into the towel, bringing the dirt with it. So I don't want to drive the dirt into the shoe. Firmly wipe over the shoe to remove the cleaning agent into the microfiber towel. You don't want to drive the cleaning agent into the shoe. If the microfiber towel is doing its job properly, it's going to absorb the dirt into the towel. I've obviously done the same process with the left shoe, and I'm now moving on to cleaning the soles. So I'm going to grab my sneaker cleaner and I'm going to liberally spray the cleaner all over the whites of the soles. I'm going to help that penetrate a little bit by brushing it in, but then I'm going to leave it to dwell for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I wipe off the remaining dirt from the sole with a microfiber towel. Anything that's left on it isn't going to come off with the sneaker cleaner, so we're going to need to scale up our efforts. So here's where we're bringing our hand sanitizer into it. Now this hand sanitizer has a peroxide, which is a whitening agent in it, but it also has a rubbing alcohol. So that's going to loosen any of the remaining soil, that black stuff that gets in between the grooves on the white of the sneaker. We're then going to brush the hand sanitizer into the sole, and again we're going to leave that to dwell for a couple of minutes before wiping it off. Now this last stage is kind of interchangeable with the hand sanitizer, but I'm going to run through how to do it with you guys anyway. I didn't really have much dirt left on the sole of my sneakers at this stage, but I just wanted to make sure that I got every last bit out. So that is my bicarb or baking soda, and I've made a paste out of it in hot water. And as you can see, I'm just putting the paste onto the soles, giving it a brush in, and I'm basically going to leave that to dwell for about 15 minutes as well. I've applied my baking soda to both soles and I've gotten a bowl of steaming hot water. I'm going to grab the nail brush and just gently brush the bicarb off the sole of the sneakers. Baking soda is both a cleaning and a whitening agent, so that's going to do any last little bit of cleaning, but it's also going to get those soles whiter than white. And I think you can probably see now how white the soles are compared to when I started cleaning the sneakers. After I've gotten the baking soda off the soles, I'm gonna just wipe the remaining residue off and dry the shoes. They're pretty much done and clean now. They look so much better. The soles are nice and white. The fabric of the sneakers are really nice and clean. As you can see, these are my sneakers. They're 6 years old and they're after cleaning up really well. Carl here from Cleaning How To. Thanks for watching.